Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade your LEGO Jek Porkins minifigure. This is the main minifigure we will be upgrading, and the parts we are going to keep are the head and the helmet. The new torso and legs are going to come from this big Stark Lighter minifigure. And finally I added the additional detail of the bag from Finn. Hopefully your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to put it together. I think this minifigure has turned out okay, and I hope everyone else thinks so as well. This video was an idea that I hadn't seen anybody else do, so I thought I'd give it a try. If you made it here, I'd recommend subscribing and maybe liking the video if you haven't done either of those already. And if you like the Rebellion, you may want to check out some of my tutorials from Andor.